There are two good ways to use this soap to get a brighter skin. If you want to get a brighter skin, there are two ways to use this soap to get a brighter skin. Are you going to use these two soap at the same time? No. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. If this is your first time of seeing my video, you're welcome. Please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button for you to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about two best brightening soaps in the market. This is Nano White soap and Asantee Papaya soap. So I'm going to talk about how to use this soap to get a brighter skin, the lotions that you're going to use with these two soaps. Yes, so if you're currently using this soap and you don't know the lotion, the cream that you are going to buy or that you will use, this video is for you. And if you want to know how to use this soap to brighten your skin, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use these two soaps to brighten your skin, the lotion to use to brighten your skin as well, together with this soap. So that is it. So guys, before I go into on how to use this soap to brighten your skin, I'm going to first of all list out the top lotions to use to get a brighter skin. I'm going to first of all list out the best body lotion that you can use, the best brightening lotion that you can use with these two soaps to get that a brighter and a glowing skin. Yes, so watch this video to the end. Do not skip any minute in this video. So the first body lotion to use if you're using this soap is Vaseline Healthy Even Tone. Yes, this is the first body lotion if you're using these body soaps, if you're using these brightening soaps. Remember, these soaps are very active. These are active whitening soaps. Yes, they brighten very well. So, and if you're having a sensitive skin, you might react to these soaps. Yes, if you don't blend it with a good moisturizing cream. If you're having hyperpigmentation, if you're having dark spots on your skin, it also helps to clear dark spots. Yes, and it brightens the skin. It is a healthy lotion that brightens your skin. It moisturizes your skin as well. That is the essence of this Vaseline Healthy Even. Also contains vitamin B3. Yes, so it evens out your complexion together with this soap. So using this lotion with this soap is very nice. It is a good combination. Yes, if you want to get that a brighter skin, a healthy looking skin, you combine this soap with this body lotion, which will give you a brighter and a glowing skin. So guys, another best lotion to use with this soap is Nivea Vitamin C Body Lotion or Nivea Perfect and Radiance. These two lotions here that I listed out here is very good if you are using this body soap. This Nivea Vitamin C lotion helps to brighten your skin, even out your skin. Yes, and it will give you a glowing looking skin. So this lotion with this body soap is very active, it's very nice. It moisturizes your skin. Yes, if you are having a dry skin, it's very okay. Whichever lotion you get is very okay with this soap. So if you're using this lotion and you're looking for the best soap to use to brighten your skin, you get this soap and you get the lotion as well. The both combination works like magic. The both combination is very good and affordable in the market as well. Yes, lotion also helps to clear that spots. If you're having a sensitive skin, normal skin, it is for all skin type. This soap and this lotion will give you a good looking skin. Yes, so the third lotion to use with this soap is Cure 7 Even Skin Tone Body Lotion. Guys, this lotion is very nice. Yes, it targets to clear hyperpigmentation. If you're having hyperpigmentations on your skin, blemishes on your skin, dark spots, it helps mainly for hyperpigmentations. These two soaps, whichever one you get with this lotion, is very active. This lotion contains glutathione that helps to brighten your skin very well. Yes, if you're having a hard skin and you don't know what to use, you have used this, you have used that, get this soap, any of this soap, then get this Q7 Even Skin Tone Body Lotion. It is very nice and it is suitable for all skin type, mainly for those that are having a hard skin. That is, your skin takes time to product before it works. You get this lotion and this soap. Yes, if you want to get 2 times brighter skin, this soap with this Cure 7 lotion will give you a good and amazing skin tone. Yes, the last lotion I'm going to recommend here is for those that has dry skin and sensitive skin. If you're having dry skin and sensitive skin, this lotion that I'm about to list out here is for you. The lotion is no other but Dove nourishing lotion. Yes, this pink one is very nice. So if you're having dry skin, if you're sensitive skin, yes, you get this lotion. It deeply moisturize your skin. If you're using this body soap, remember this body soap is very active. It's the active brightening body soap. So if you want to get that brighter skin, you get this Dove body lotion. This Dove body lotion will moisturize your skin, give you that glowing skin. Yes, using these two super brightening soap, remember you're using one out of it. Using any of this soap with this Dove nourishing lotion will give you a glowing skin, moisturized skin, and a radiant complexion. So if you're having a sensitive skin, you don't know what to use, you have tried so many products, get this Dove lotion. It is very affordable in the market. Get this Dove lotion. Though Dove lotion comes in two types, it has foreign one and Nigerian one. If you're buy the foreign one. This particular one here contains a lot of natural oils that will help to moisturize your skin, that will help to glow your skin. Together with this soap will give you a brighter skin. Yes, it won't darken your skin, but it will give you a brighter skin. If you're using this soap, any of this soap with this Dove, you are going to get a brighter complexion. So that is it. Now there are creams you don't use with these soaps. Yes, you see this soap that I'm having here, there are creams you don't use with it. Creams that contains hydroquinone, creams that contains mercury, steroids. Yes, you don't use it with this soap. Creams that are super whitening, we have super whitening creams, 3 days whitening creams, 7 days action creams. You don't use it with these soaps. Yes, now let's get into the second section of this video. How to use this soap to get a brighter skin. So guys, how can we use these two soaps that I'm having here to get a brighter skin? There are two good ways to use this soap to get a brighter skin. If you want to get a brighter skin, there are two ways to use this soap to get a brighter skin. Are you going to use these two soap at the same time? No. So how can you use this soap to get a brighter skin? We have what we call double cleansing. Yes, the first one is double cleansing method, then the second one is morning and night routine method. Yes, so I'm going to first of all explain the double cleansing method. If you're going to use any of this soap, remember these are the two brightening soap we have in the market. They are very strong brightening soap. So if you want to go in with double cleansing method, you pick one of this soap like Nano. Yes, you pick one of this soap like Nano. If you're having dry skin, you go for Asantee Papaya and honey soap. Yes, because it contains honey for dry skin. Then if you're having normal skin or other skin type, you go for this one. Yes, so you pick any of this soap. Get a good moisturizing soap like Dove pampering soap. Yes, this Dove pampering soap is very nice. It moisturizes your skin. Yes, so you get a moisturizing soap, a deep moisturizing soap like Dove soap. I recommend Dove soap because it moisturizes the skin. It deeply moisturizes the skin. For your morning routine, get this Dove pampering soap. Yes, you are going to use this Dove pampering soap in the morning. Use it to moisturize your skin. Yes, at night you go in with any of this soap to have your bath. Go in with any of this soap to have your bath at night. Then you use your body lotion. Remember, you're going to use your body lotion during the day as well in the morning section. Yes, with your sunscreen in the morning. Yes, then at night you use this, any of this soap, whichever one you're using, use it to have your bath. Yes, use it to first of all pour water on your skin. Use it to massage your body, all over your body. Rinse off, then you use your sponge with this soap. Use your sponge with any of this soap to wash off your body for the second time. So this is how you're going to use this soap, the morning and night routine, for a good using. Then the next one is double cleansing. What do I mean by double cleansing? Is it using these two soap at the same time? No. What I mean is that you use any of this soap and get your moisturizing soap as well. When you are done using this soap, you first of all use this soap to have your bath morning and night. You're going to use it morning and night. This soap, that is the situation when you use this soap morning and night. Any of this soap morning and night. Then when you are done washing your body with this soap for the first time, then you go in with your moisturizing soap to moisturize your skin, to calm all the ingredients, all the harsh chemicals in this soap, to make your skin to moisturize. Yes, for those of us that having dry skin or sensitive skin and you want to get a brighter skin, 2 times brighter with this lotion, with this soap, yes, what you will do is after using this soap to have your bath for the first time, then the second washing, the second cleansing you will do is to use your Dove moisturizing soap to moisturize your body. Yes, and you are using it 2 times in a day. The thing to use is getting a moisturizing soap to moisturize your body after using this soap. Then you apply your lotion that I've recommended and your sunscreen. I made a video on best sunscreen to use. Please do go and see that video on best affordable sunscreens to use. Yes, the sunscreen that I recommended here is very affordable and very nice. It moisturizes, it protects your skin from sun damage. Yes, please do not use this soap without sunscreen. Remember, these soap are very active brightening soaps. No use this soap without sunscreen. Remember, these soap are 2 times brightening soaps. Yes, using this soap without sunscreen can cause you sunburn, sun damage, skin reaction, skin irritation. So the best thing to use with this soap is go and get a good lotion that I've recommended in this video. Yes, and a good sunscreen. I made a video on best sunscreen you can use and it's affordable in the market. Please go and see that video. I'll be dropping the link in the description button. Go and see that video and get a good and affordable sunscreen for you. If you're having sunburn, you can use this soap, but you are going to use it with a sunscreen and a moisturizing lotion. Note what I said. If you're having sunburn, you can use this soap, any of this soap. It helps to clear sunburn, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, blemishes. You are using it. You can use it together with sunscreen and this body lotion. After 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you come back to this channel and thank me later. So that is it. If you're having hyperpigmentations, melasma, blemishes, sunburn skin, you can use this soap. Yes, using this soap can clear your sunburn very well with a sunscreen, moisturizing soap that I've recommended, and a body lotion that I've recommended. That is how to use this soap to get a clear skin and a glowing, healthy skin. Yes, so for double cleansing, I said get this moisturizing soap. You're using it day and night. Yes, for a glowing and a radiant complexion. So guys, that is how to use this soap for a glowing. So guys, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Cynthia YouTube channel, where I talk about skincare products and tips, beauty products, personal hygiene products, even hair products as well, makeup products as well. Please, if you are not seeing my videos, please go and see my videos. Yes, you are going to learn a lot from my videos. Yes, so guys, thank you for seeing my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.